India shines brightest in its moments of togetherness. In Jaipur, a gentle shower of flower petals by the Hindu community over Muslims offering namaz during Eid al-Fitr becomes a poetic expression of harmony and shared respect. In another instance, this very spirit transcends borders, drawing visitors from across the world to Ayodhya, where the serene aura of the Ram Mandir reflects India's timeless message of unity in diversity. Let's take a look at these heartwarming stories.
In the historic city of Jaipur, a powerful story of unity unfolded at the Jaipur Eidgah on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr, a moment that beautifully captured the essence of India's shared cultural fabric. As thousands of Muslim devotees gathered early in the morning to offer namaz, an extraordinary gesture awaited them outside the Eidgah. Members of Hindu community stood together with flowers in hand. As the prayers concluded and devotees stepped out, they were welcomed with a gentle shower of flower petals, an act symbolizing respect, warmth and brotherhood.
आज ईद का त्योहार है और साथ में हमारे हिंदू भाइयों का भी गणगौर है। हम दोनों ही इस त्योहार को मिलके और हर्षोल्लास से मना रहे हैं। अभी ये लोग हमारे पर पुष्प अर्पित कर रहे हैं। शाम को जाके हम इनका गणगौर इनके साथ मनाएंगे।
In another instance, the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, visited the iconic Ram Janmabhoomi temple. The occasion not only marked a significant ceremonial gathering, but also highlighted how the temple has emerged as a spiritual and cultural beacon, drawing devotees and tourists from across the world. Visitors worldwide are adding Ayodhya to their itineraries for its rich history and spiritual significance.
So the temple is really good because I went to see Rama already yesterday. 2 days ago I went to see the Rama Murti, and so that was really a good experience from the Rama Murti to see it. But then Amma came, so I didn't get to go so the closest. So that was my experience of the temple.
It's the place where Abadhuts are, nowhere else in the world. This is the place to be. And if there was like nuclear war, this is still the place to be. This is heaven.
These instances remind us that beyond differences of faith or geography, it is mutual respect, shared joy, and human connection that truly define the soul of India.